Hi students, let us come back to sociology tips again after a short break. So, today we are going to explain about patriarchy. I am interested in speaking about finding the roots of patriarchy rather than how it works. We know how it works, a male dominant society. What are the ill effects of that patriarchy that you know? How the male dominance is asserted in the society. You all know this. But I am interested in speaking about how patriarchy evolved in the society. Obviously, you know patriarchy means the elder male will dominate or father will dominate. Or in a different way, you can say the husband will also dominate. This is what exactly been happening in patriarchy. So let me go back to hunting and gathering society to explain it. Hunting and gathering. This is just a story. I am not saying that what I am speaking is right. I just want to punch in a point, so I am telling a story. In a hunting and gathering society, let us assume there are two people. One is Lal and another person is, give it X. Let me not name anyone. These both people, that means Lal and X, are hunting in a society. What they will do? They will hunt every day for their sustenance. For example, Lal will hunt 10 grams of something. Similarly, she will also hunt 10 grams of something. Food. For daily sustenance, they will hunt or gather. But the problem here is, they are not keeping it for the next day. In a modern society, what you do? You buy many things and keep it in the refrigerator. So here, nothing called a refrigerator or storage system is there. So what you will do is, you will hunt for daily sustenance. That's the first point you should understand. So there is nothing called surplus. Let us complicate it further. In this hunting and gathering society, there is no family. There is no family. Lal will go in one side, this girl will go in the other side. So one day, Lal is going to ask this girl, in a modern term, would you like to have a date with me? So she will say, I am interested in having a sexual intercourse with you, but the problem is, after pregnancy, I won't be able to hunt and gather properly. What would I do? Maybe after 3 months of pregnancy, I will come to a point where I am physically unstable to continue my hunting and gathering. So she will say, although I am interested, I deny your offer. So what Lal will say is, don't worry, let us have a date tomorrow. If you become pregnant after 3 months, I will protect you. That means, Lal is daily hunting 10 grams of something, 10 grams of food, but he is assuring to X, that is the girl, that I will also hunt 10 more grams so that I can give food to you too. And of course, later he will add 10 or 20 grams more to protect the child too. This is how it goes. So what happens is, they will have sexual intercourse and they will join together. This man will protect her. This is how the beginning of family started. I am telling a story, don't confuse. This is how the concept of family started, unity started. So after 10 months and delivery, maybe after 2 years, X is going to tell Lal, that I am capable of hunting hereafter. I am not physically unfit now. So what we can do is, I will go for hunting. Let me go for hunting. But Lal will say no. Why? Lal will say, I am already capable of bringing 10 grams of surplus to feed you too. Then why are you going and working? What you can do is some gathering works around, but don't go for hunting. There is no need for that. I am capable enough to bring or to produce or to hunt the surplus for you too. So here the idea of surplus is coming. What next will happen is, this lady will stay in the home. This is how family works, isn't it? So let us take a modern society. Why patriarchy asserts? A modern man, a male dominant person will tell a girl, don't go for studies, don't go for work, I am ready to find the surplus for you too. There is no need for you to go and find food for you. I am capable of giving it to you. This is why ladies or women have got less choice in a society. Actually, what is patriarchy? Patriarchy is limiting the choices of women. Why they are limited? Because the amount of food, shelter, needs of women can be addressed by the male. This is how it works. So let us take, in a modern society, more divorces happen. Why? When women start working, they will find surplus for them. They are not dependent upon the male counterpart. So she will come to a point, articulating herself, asserting herself, that I am not interested in bearing your emotions. Can you please logically behave with me? If that is the case, we will continue. It's a kind of contractual relationship. The thing is, I am not dependent upon you. That is happening in modern society. What I wanted to say is, the idea of surplus is something which gives patriarchy a big root. I am not saying that it is the only thing, but I wanted to plot a simple idea in front of you so that you can understand how patriarchy originated and how it is keeping on going. So the amount of patriarchal assertions in a modern society will be less because women started becoming independent. So the students, the girl students who are listening to this, what you can do is, you get IAS, be self-sufficient and come out. You come out of the patriarchy. You yourself have to come out of it. Men will always try to dominate you. This is a system which continued since long. So this is all about patriarchy. I hope I made it clear. If you have any doubts, you can write it in Neo. I will surely get back to you. Thank you.